Hello guys, Namaskar. I am Sarthak. Today I am going to discuss with you a project of mine, Suraksha Kawach. Imagine your body couldn't feel anything. No pain, no itch, no touch. Now imagine a mosquito lands on your neck and bites you. You don't notice it. You realize it later when a bump appears. Too late. This is how our society reacts to violence against women. Always after the damage is done. Our system is like a man with no sensation and no eyes. He can only find the mosquito bite after it already happened. He can't slap the mosquito. He can't even see it land. This is our law and order system. Blind, reactive, and delayed. Now, every 18 minutes, a woman is raped in India. That's about 80 women every day. 90% of them know the offender. 1 out of 3 Indian women experience sexual assaults and harassment in public places. In rural areas, reporting is 20% less due to stigma and access. These are some hard hitting truths from NCRB. These are not just numbers, they are silent screams that no one hears until it is too late. Now, let us move on to the next part, the failures of the reactive systems. Most current safety systems like helpline, police calls, and even smart devices all depends on the person being conscious during the assault, the attacker not disabling the device, and a fast enough manual reaction. Please focus on the word manual. But the trauma shuts down the brain. The fear freezes the action. Sometimes even the strongest people can't scream. If the attacker is known, then even calling for help becomes so much dangerous. So the system must work before you say help. Our body has something called reflex. You touch a flame, you pull your hand back instantly, even before your brain fully understands the pain. Now imagine a digital reflex for the society. Something that reacts before a crime escalates. Something that doesn't wait for a scream to be heard. What if we had an invisible guardian always watching, not to control us, but to protect us? A system that watches with AI eyes, not CCTV tapes that gather dusts, but with sensors, emotional detection, and automatic alerts. What if the attackers was marked, tagged, and neutralized before escaping? What if a system knew the patterns before they turned violent? Too futuristic? Not anymore. If we can send rovers to Mars, AI can draw paintings, write songs, and drive cars, then why can't we use AI to detect the violence before it's too late? This is not a science fiction anymore. It's a moral failure if we don't try. A group of us are working on something that combines smart wearable tech, crowd-funded safety mesh, and satellite observation. Also, we will implement AI-based instant response by pattern recognition and some other secret technologies that is patentable as well. We call it the Suraksha Kawach, the invisible shield. It will eventually evolve to an autonomous protection system units. This is not about selling a product. It's about building a public safety infrastructure that is most required at the national emergency in women's safety. And to implement this, guys, we need your support. So guys, if this idea makes sense to you, please share the video, tag someone in the government. We are also sharing a Google form where investors can apply, and also any people or anyone who is interested to our idea and want to work with us, please join us. You are mostly welcome. Even your like and comment can push this message to more people. We are done with just reacting to crimes. It's time that we build a system that feels, that sees, that responds faster than the evil can act. Because protecting someone shouldn't depend on luck. It should depend on tech. This is not a company. This is not a campaign. This is a mission. I have multiple transformative ideas like this. Please subscribe to my channel to check our videos every 14 days with a new problem statement.